Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera. And as you can see, right here on the front page of the camera, we've got all modes like video, photo, portrait, nightscape, pro, time-lapse, panorama and slow motion. Let's start with slow motion, which we can change between 720 FPS and 180 resolution, I mean. Then we've got panorama, time-lapse, where we can change speed, and resolution between 4K and HD. Then we can enable or disable flashlight and change brightness. Also we can zoom out and zoom in. In Pro mode we can change ISO, white balance, shutter, macro, focus and different settings. Also we can enable timer between 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Next we can select custom preset, change format, aspect ratio, and that's all. In nightscape we can change aspect ratio, set timer and zoom in, zoom out. Next we've got typical portrait mode. Simple photo mode, where we can enable HDR, flashlight, change aspect ratio, enable high resolution, and put on some filters. And in video mode we can change resolution, aspect ratio, and as well enable flashlight. So this camera has 0.6 zoom out and 10 times zoom in. Also we've got Google Lens, and front camera, where we can change aspect ratio, timer, flashlight, presets and filters. Now let's go to settings, where we can enable or disable ultra shot HDR, smart scene recognition, mirrored selfie, long press shutter for record video and take burst shots. We can also enable or disable high efficiency video, histogram, horizontal reference line. We can manage camera modes, enable or disable ultra wide lens correction, enable grid, watermark, shutter sound and store location data. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.